Welcome to the 2020 Concrete Foundations Association Projects of the Year. We invite you to view this video and at the end, take out your smartphone and with the QR code you may rate the 5 categories for performance. This entry, SF5K08, is a single-family residential foundation project over 5,000 square feet from the state of Georgia. This project spanned 3 years for our portion. The entire job was broken into many sections over that 3-year period. The main house on this project had a footprint of 18,493 square feet, another 4,900 square feet in a sports building. Over 1,600 linear foot of foundation walls totaled over 2,500 cubic yards of concrete and over 330,000 linear feet of steel reinforcement. A total of 18 wall heights stepping up from 3 feet all the way to 28 feet, and wall thicknesses ranging from 8 inches all the way up to 36 inches. The first phase included basement and subwalls for a 68-foot by 78-foot 10-inch sports building which held an indoor batting cage and rock wall. Phase 2 was the main house, currently the largest house in Atlanta. It includes an indoor pool and a green roof over the hair salon. The typical basement wall was 20 inches thick by 18 feet 8 3/4 inches tall. Phase 3 were retaining walls for site walls for the 18-foot tall motor court. The fourth phase included footings and a short retaining walls for the entry statement. And the fifth phase, multiple retaining walls to create a covered walkway that linked the detached garage to the front of the house. Scheduling the job in these different sections allowed for estimating and efficiency in building. A revision was required every time a significant change was made. A total of 30 estimates and revisions were created. In addition to the multiple plan drawings and details for each phase, we also drew a 3-dimensional rebar plan for the crew to visualize the difficult footing steel. Due to the large grade difference, it would have been easier to start with the retaining walls on this project and build up the site. However, the builder's timeline required that we started work on the main house before the retaining walls. The typical basement walls for the main house were 20 inches thick by 18 8 3/4 inches tall. Where the basement elevation dropped for an indoor swimming pool, the walls were 36 inches thick by 27 feet 3.5 inches tall, with a step-in to 20 inches thick at 15 foot tall. These walls all had multiple door openings. Perhaps the most challenging wall, though, was a 19-foot 1.5 inch thick tall radius wall with arched openings. The general contractor, architect, and owner were well pleased with the resulting concrete work on this project. Entry SF5K08, a single-family residence from the state of Georgia. Please scan this QR code with your smartphone. You'll be taken to a site where you can easily enter the ratings for the 5 categories on this project.